my fridge organization video. So in this video I'm going to share how I organize my fridge. So before we begin, if you are new to my channel, hi, this is Sudha and I make videos on home organization, home decor, lifestyle, beauty and haul videos. So if you are interested in such kind of content, do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so that when I upload a new video you'll get a notification.
So yeah, this is how I clean my fridge. I always use the tissue paper to clean the fridge because using the cloth leaves that water stains and all, and that's why I use the tissue paper to clean the racks also. See, with the tissue you can see there won't be any water stains or anything. So now comes the freezer part. I know it's in a very bad situation right now, but yeah, I'll be using some baskets to store up all the spices and some frozen items. You can see with the tissue it will be super clean. If you want, you can just spray some Collin also, but I just don't use Collin also. I'll just generally wipe it off everything with a normal tissue paper. These are the placemats, these which I got it from Amazon. Yeah, on the first rack I store some soft drinks and water bottles and all. Now it's summer, that's why there are so many soft drinks. Otherwise I keep some water bottles over there, and yeah, fruit juices of course. And in the second rack I store this butter and some green chilies, curry leaves, and 2 baskets to keep my sauces and some dairy products. See, I have stored green chilies using a tissue. This is how I store green chilies, curry leaves and coriander, etc. Using a tissue underneath, it stays for longer. So yeah, I store in this transparent container, so it is easy for me to look for it. Next, in this basket I keep all my sauces like pizza pasta sauce, tomato sauce, chili sauce. It is easy for me to grab it out and to store also. It looks organized. So yeah, in the next box I store all these dairy products like butter and some paneer, cheese slices and cheese cubes, etc. in this basket. So all these dairy products in one basket. The second rack I store this coriander and an egg box, and you can see I have placed a tissue paper underneath. So trust me, in this way your leafy vegetables last longer. And this is an egg tray. I got this from Amazon. And now on the last rack I have placed 3 baskets. So in the first basket I store all my milk packets and some curd packets and all. But now I have some Maaza Tetra packs left over, so I kept it in that. Otherwise I keep only milk packets and curd packets in this basket. I have given some handles like this, so you can just pull it out using those handles. So it is very easy to use, also very convenient. And in these 2 transparent boxes I store fruits. See, using this handle you can just pull it out so easily. And again, these I got it from Amazon. If you want, I'll leave the links in the description box so you can check it out. I store only fruits in these two baskets because anyway we will get this vegetable basket in the fridge, so I store the vegetables in that basket and the fruits separately. These veggie bags you will get it easily anywhere in the supermarket or even on Amazon also. I find it this way, storing vegetables this way is very easy for me. So in this rack I just keep all my leftover food or something and some idli dosa batter. So that's why I just left that rack empty so that I can just place it off. So this side I just store all my flavored Greek yogurts and some ginger. That's it, nothing much on this first rack. In the second row I just store all my like lemon, ginger garlic paste, curd and that cream. And I have kept these two paper boat and raw coconut water and some olives, mustard sauce, homemade nimbu juice. That's it. Nothing much on this rack also. And in this container I store lemon. See, this is how I store lemon. In this way your lemon lasts for longer. Actually it won't rise up so easily. So this is the best tip. If you want, you can try it out. On the last rack I just kept some Tetra Pak juices and some mayo sauce and mayo and some Hershey syrup and all. So overall this is how my refrigerator looks like. So now comes the freezer part. See, I have kept these baskets to store the spices and I have kept this side empty. In this way it looks so clean, neat and organized. See, in this container I have some potato nuggets and all and ice cream. Yeah, see, in this basket I have stored up all the spices which I use. And this basket I have stored all the frozen food and some frozen veggies. This is how I organize my fridge. Hope you all like this video. If you do, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.